Okay, so today I am actually trying to grind for a ton of money on skyblox, but I'm coming up with an issue. How? Exactly. Now, if you look at my prices, they're quite low. Like I'm selling a test tunnel for 300, and then that for 200, and then yeah, they're pretty cheap, but they're not really necessarily selling. I invited everyone. This is actually the materials you need to make the vending machine, and as you can see, I have put everything in there. So, I'm going to be grinding for them to make another vending machine, but I'm going to skip the crystallized iron because it takes a very good amount of time. And if I did that, the video would be way too long. So, instead, I'm going to skip that a little. Just the cryo-iron, everything else I will get. So, gold, I need gold. And I also need, oh, I have gold ore on me. I just get some more. Gold and 3, what's it called? 3 sticky gear. So, let's try to get that. And then the crystallized iron, as I said, I'm going to skip because it takes way too long to harvest. So, let's see. Let's get the sticky gear first before we get the gold. Come here. Come. A tip while you're fighting, tap them or click them and try to keep them away from you. Because look, if you stand away from them, you don't take too much health. But if you're right up to them, they're gonna hit you. Come on, group up. Come on, group up. Stay back, stay back. Get a buffer core island key. That's not what I need. I need sticky gear. I need sticky gear. Look, now the fact that I'm looking for sticky gear, I'm not gonna get any. Now I got 200 slime balls. Come on. Why am I lagging? I should not be lagging. How are they hitting me all the way from over there? Odd. Come here. 1 down, 5 more to go. 4 more to go. It's fun actually like playing the game again instead of just buying the machine now. It's like actually fun. To be honest, it's probably only like, except for hackers that duplicate stuff, there's probably like total like 300, no, like 20,000 smelters in the game, and people just sell them and buy them and resell them. I seriously just got a blue sticky gear when I'm searching for greens. That guy's doing it wrong. Oh, look, got another sticky gear. Oh, like also, if they're getting away very hard because it's like, oh, I got a red jukebox CD, they sell for practically nothing. Unless you have the game pass and they can sell for like, I'd say 20,000. When they first got released, they were selling for like 200, 500,000. And no, if you do not have the game pass, they will not work in your jukebox. Blue slime, blue slime. Blue slime gear can sell for like 20,000. So, and their slime balls actually worth a lot more. Come on, sticky gear, come on. What you said? Better be. Oh, also just like a couple days ago, I was just randomly killing the buffer core because I had a task for that from the adventurer, and I got a buffer core crystal in like the first 10 that I killed. So that is, oh jeez. Look, I already got 4 sticky gear. Almost there. Maybe drop a sticky gear. Which one of you guys ate in gear? Green, so I can green sticky gear. And I'm lagging out. Give me what I need, and I'll leave you all alone. For a little. Eventually a pink one's just gonna spawn. And then of course that one guy with ancient slime shit. Okay, I got I've got a lot of that ancient slime shit, so nothing really. I remember when like those first came in the game, I was like, I need to get one of these. And when I got one the first second I like used it, it was like, it's more easier for PC, but for a mobile player I was like, no, this thing's garbage. And I don't even know what I did with it. I don't know if I sold it or just threw it off the map. I probably threw it off the map, to be honest. It's so trashy, terrible. Also, you don't have to tap them, but they just do a sophisticated more damage. I didn't get a single gear from that. Huh. Dang it, I was gonna try to beat the slime from respawn. Come here, buddy. So now, with the blue slime. Come on, 1 green gear. That's all we need. Not another blue one, just 1 green gear. Why are so many blue slimes when I'm suddenly looking for green sticky gear? Come on, either drop a gear or be useless. Yay, he dropped a gear. I guess we're useless after all. Actually, they are, because to make the stuff with blue sticky gear, the only thing you can make is a washer, which is incredibly hard to get. I've been trying to get the color for like forever. And my onion farm, I'm going to try to build 2 other sides to it. One coming out from the left, one coming out from the right, in the middle of the slide. But I need 2 washers for it. Because what I'm going to do is make it like a funnel, one side, like a rocket ship upside down. Take it like that. We just got like 2 thrusters coming out of the side. Yes, okay, I got another green stick. I'm just gonna create these bots. Come here. Come here. Come on. Last one. This one's the best one. No witnesses. Now, we need gold. I think we need 20 gold. So let's aim for 20 gold. That gold and the crystallized iron is 100% the hardest, but if you have a good weapon, you can just kill the... Oh, no. You could just kill a ton of the buffer core, and you could also get a chance to get the buffer core crystal. Like, it's really rare, but you could get a chance to get it. But farming the ores is the best way to get... Also, if you tap and hold it, and then hold it, you can do this effect. It does farm twice as fast, yes. And it is quite helpful. Except on the last hit, it kind of glitches out. So that was 3. I'm doing math because I already have ore. Now, as I said earlier, I'm going to have to skip getting the crystallized iron because it is a pain to get. But you could potentially pick it up while you're farming, which if I do, boom, that's completely how to make a vending machine. Also, this is going to be a part 1 because this is going to take a little while. And I don't have much time to make this video and post it, so it might be a short one. But if I do manage to get crystallized iron, I will do that. In the next video, I will be like selling stuff with my vending machine. And also, should I make a series where I start off with like a skybase, a like Minecraft skybase type of, like a Minecraft skybase type of skyblock? Not Minecraft skybase, like a Minecraft skyblock. if that makes sense. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a small island behind my portal, maybe about 20-30 blocks out, and I'm going to like make it as a hardcore series. So what I have to do is, what I'm going to do though is I'm going to put all my money in a vending machine. So I will be starting off with 0 money. I will only give myself like a couple wheat seeds, and then I'll have to look at that. I see gold in the distance, by the way. So let me know if I should do that. I'm planning to do that. Hold on. This guy's doing a buff cry, which is actually. Oh yes! Let's go, crystallized iron. Okay, so completely how to make a vending machine in this episode. What am I doing? What? On the last one, which is out. I'm sure we could deal with this dude. I got more than like 100. Not 1,000. Because I can get a buff core crystal. Insane. Those things sell for $800 to $2 million. The higher the price, the more time it'll take to sell. But hey, look, got crystal iron. Yay. Let's see if this guy's gonna drop first. Then only I'll make the deal. I'm just want to know if this guy's gonna drop first, because I'm not dropping 100 iron. Okay. I'm just gonna do this guy off. Let me tell you, 3 ores, 3 from each ore, so I have 9. No, that one gave me 3. Okay, so I already have 10. I'll do this deal in a minute. Okay, so just to skip time, I'm gonna teleport back. I'm gonna use the iron that's already smelted. How to smelt it? Just take a small furnace, which is crafted by like 10 stone and some other thing. I think it's just 10 stone wood. 10 stone and 10 iron. Now, easy. So you can put down that, or you can use the industrial smelter. So if we do this, and then we go down to the vending machine. Boom. That is how you quickly make a vending machine. I farmed all these materials. I did get 10 iron, just clarification, I just didn't smelt it. I got all the materials I need to make this in a video, in just like, I don't know, 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes. So, boom, vending machine. That quickly, it's that simple, no hurries. If you have a stone pickaxe, it might take a little longer, but just do the trick I told you where you tap and then hold it, and it like double swings. It's very quick and it's quite easy. So yes, quickest way to get a brand new vending machine.